Hello, another AQA A-Level Physics multi-choice question. If you've done this question before, I just want to do a different question. If you hit the info bar up here, it'll take you to the playlist for the other current electricity questions. Anyway, if you want to do this question yourself, please stop the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you didn't and you want to hear my explanation, here it goes. Which is the current voltage characteristic for a filament lamp up to its working voltage? Well, it's B, and to be perfectly honest, you should just know the shape of that at this point in the syllabus. However, let's have a quick explanation as to what's going on here. So the reason we get this declining gradient is because the resistance is increasing. The resistance is increasing because as the voltage increases, the current increases. The current causes the heating of the lamp, and that heating of the wire in the filament causes its resistance to increase. Let's just take a little further look at the shape of this graph and explain why the graph definitely shows that. Let's look at a couple of similar intervals in increase in potential difference or increase in voltage, and see what that does to the current. So you can see this first increase in potential difference produces a very large increase in current, and then a similar increase in potential difference. You can see there's a much smaller increase in current because the resistance has increased. Answer B. Okay, hopefully you found this useful. Hit that subscribe button, recommend it to your friends, and maybe even hit the like button. Thank you for watching.